Hello, my name is Nimai and I am presenting my Animal Nation project on platypus. I chose platypus because it is a confusing and interesting creature. It has the bill of a duck, the body of an otter, and the tail of a beaver. When first discovered, scientists thought that this creature was fake. So let's meet the platypus. Its scientific name is Ornithorhynchus anatinus. They are warm-blooded, nocturnal. They are semi-aquatic, which means that they can dive underwater and they can dive underwater and they can stay on land both and they can dive underwater for 40 seconds. They have 2 layers of thick waterproof fur. The inner layer keeps them warm and the outer layer keeps them dry. They have a flexible, rubbery, sensitive bill. They move it back and forth to detect the electrical signals of their prey. They hunt with their eyes and ears closed. Their thick tail stores fat. Males have venomous spurs. They have venomous spurs. They use them to defend their enemies, defend themselves against enemies, and fight during the mating season. Fight other males during the mating season. The male's length is about 20 inches, and the female's length is about 17 inches. The male's weight is about 4.8 pounds, and the female's weight is about 4.4 pounds. They are egg-laying mammals, and still they nurse their young, which means they are monotremes. They are not endangered yet. Taxonomy. The taxonomy is the science of putting animals in groups. The species of platypus is O. anatinus. The genus is Ornithorhynchus, and the family is Ornithorhynchidae. In the genus and family, there is no other animal because they are all extinct except the platypus. The order is Monotremata. There are 5 animals in this order. There's 1 platypus and 4 species of echidnas. The class is Mammalia, which is all the mammals including platypus. The phylum Chordata is vertebrates. You can see here that the platypus has a vertebral column. The kingdom is Animalia, which is the animal kingdom. Habitat. The habitat is a place where the creature lives. Platypuses only live in eastern Australia and Tasmania. They dig burrows near freshwater streams and rivers. They are nocturnal, hunt in water by night, and sleep in burrows by day. Burrows can be 3 to 30 feet long. Prey and predators. Platypuses are carnivores. They eat shrimp, crawfish, worms, and insect larvae. Hunts underwater for 10 to 12 hours. Dive for about 40 seconds before coming up to breathe. Echolocation. Platypuses have a sensitive bill that detects electric currents from its prey. It scoops up food in its bill, stores it in the cheek pouches, and swims to the surface to grind food between the bill plates. Males use venomous spurs to fight predators. The predators are eagles, owls, foxes, and snakes. Okay. The life cycle. The life cycle of platypus goes from the egg, then the young hatches from the egg, and the young grows into an adult. The adult male and female mate in spring season. Female goes into burrows. Female goes into burrow and lays 1 to 3 eggs, incubating them for 12 days. Babies hatch in 10 to 12 days. Milk drips from 2 patches in mom's stomach. The mother nurses the pups for 4 to 5 months before they are ready to hunt on their own. References. I used many books from my library to do my research on platypus. You can see them. You can see those books right here. You can find those books in your library too.
You can look in the camera.
Thank you. Bye.